I'm drawing! What drawing?
Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Can you hear me? All of you? One thing is missing with thumbs up. What is that? Come on, try to see. Yes, your lovely and bright smile. That is the most important thing and life of our class. Okay? So, can I see? Can I see that on your face, Nia, Jan? Hmm. Yes, ठीक है. Okay, chalo. So without delay, we will start now. And today's drawing, it is highly demanded drawing because in many schools before these holidays, so many activities were supposed to be held. And because of this, I decided to pick it up quite before. Any guesses what we are going to learn? It's a great festival of the year. Come on. Yes, correct. It is Rangoli and Diwali. In this, you will be learning two things, Diwali drawing and including a Rangoli. I will be teaching a Rangoli also. It's very simple, which you can try whenever you are making. And Diwali special drawing because all around so many competitions are going on and many organizations are also conducting competition. So today's concept of ours is eco-friendly Diwali. And in that, I cover up a Rangoli also. So I will be teaching one Rangoli also, okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. For this artwork, we are going to use our file horizontally, okay? So you all will be using your file horizontally, whether it is A3 or A4, you will be keeping it horizontally, this ways. And first of all, you will decide its center. This is the center of my file. Okay, decide its center. Yes. And now I want to show in this drawing, because our every drawing is concept oriented, story oriented. This drawing is having a great story. In this, I'm going to show elder sister and younger brother. Okay. And yes, Sanvi, we will decide and let you know about Diwali ki chuttis. I will have to talk to my technical team. Can you see my video? Show your thumbs up. Can you see the screen? Show thumbs up. Okay, so see those who are not able to see, please check your internet. You must be having some internet problem because rest all can see. See, this is my complete file. My complete screen is file and this is the center. Now, this side, okay, this side, I'm going to show the girl. So exactly in front of it, I will be making a circle. And see, this circle is not exactly mom's bangle. It is smaller than mom's bangle, okay? So I'm going to make it here. You can even make it freehand or you can use any object. But I will show it comparatively how much big it is. And see, those who are using big file, like using A3 size file, they can make two. Like here, I want to show a girl making rangoli. Okay. So the rangoli, here we will learn how to make the rangoli. Okay, the pattern which I want you to teach. See, this is mom's bangle and this circle is this much small. See, you can compare. Okay, so don't make small, tiny circle. And if you have big space, you can start with this only and afterwards. So first of all, draw a circle and see it is almost 2 fingers here. Of this middle. Toothpick cap you can take. I think that will be a perfect circle. And okay, now you will be watching if you want to show someone sitting on knees and making rangoli, hai na? Samidha, you missed nothing more. This is the middle and we draw a circle. And this circle is slightly smaller than mom's bangle. And I'm keeping it so that you can compare. It is not very small. And if you will start with very small, tiny circle, so your face will get disturbed. And here I'm going to show the characters of our drawing and even the story Dipali, sister's name is Dipali and brother's name is Deepak. As this drawing is completely Diwali oriented drawing, we are going to keep name Dipali and Deepak. Okay. Yes, if you want to show, see, I will show complete picture. I will be showing complete picture. After completing, your artwork is going to look like this. Okay. So see here, this girl is going to is making rangoli. If you want to make one more girl, suppose your paper is big, you will be making one more girl. And here Deepak is decorating diyas. They are celebrating eco-friendly Diwali. And this is this drawing. This is the most trendy artwork. It is called chalk. In India, for every pujan and every holy occasion, we make this. I really want my students to learn this. This is called chalk. And it is considered that when we make this, it attracts positive energy from all around. Okay. So if you want to show a mom also, your paper is big, you want to make two girls. So you can make. So chalo, let's get started. Small sellotape. It will work. You can try that. Acrylic paint circle will be too small, Sayanika. You can try freehand. Shriram, you please click on active speaker view. You will be able to see me. Because rest all can see. Shriram, you click on active speaker view. Meena, your bangle you can use. If you're wearing bangle of your age, yeah, that is perfect size. Acha, now I will make 2 points. As I want to show, she's slightly bowing down. I will be showing a line straight here. And from here, I will be showing slightly slanting. Come on. Okay. This drawing which I showed, this was the artwork which we did in 2 to 3 batch. Because we have 2 junior batches. So this artwork we completed in 2 to and I will make and here I'm going to make lehenga, okay, traditional dress. And see, Diwali is coming, and I really think that India, we are so lucky that we belong to a country which is having so many cultures together, and a diversity of cultures, and so many cultural trends and outfits are there, so many kinds of food we eat. So now, students, this is your responsibility to keep it alive. And how you can do? By getting involved in all cultural activities. Like if Diwali is coming, make rangolis and paint diyas and wear outfit, lehenga and wonderful tika, put bindi, wear some bangles. Even I'm going to get very nicely dressed up with traditional, completely traditional, put mehendi. So see, this all traditional things, this trend of tradition, you are supposed to keep alive. So on a special occasion, you can wear your traditional dress, and boys can wear kurta pajama or some traditional outfit they must be having for very sure. And so this is now our responsibility to keep this culture alive, whatever culture we belong to. Okay, now see what I did. I draw this, and now here I will make this line little big. And here I will be taking almost 2 fingers. From here, 2 fingers. Okay, from this line, 2 fingers. It is here, and I will make a J. This is looking like letter J. Right? Come on. This is J, but here I will extend the line little. Now you will see when we break it down. If I will show this drawing, yeah, we are going to make this. We will find so difficult. But when you divide, when you just break it down in small, small steps, you will see how easy it is. If you want to show one girl is want to burst a anar, so you can even show one fuljari in hand. So you can use the same posture for so many different drawings. Suppose you want to show Eid and want to show someone is doing namaz in sitting in this posture. So if you know how to show one person sitting on knees, you can draw this. Okay, so today you are going to learn this. Okay, now here I will be showing one more line. And from here, see, this is the more point which has come almost in middle of the face. From here, I'm going to take two fingers from this point. Come on, keep your two fingers and take a mark. Two fingers. And can others hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible to others? Sainika, you please check your internet, beta. I think you must be having some problem because rest all. Ashrit, what happened, beta? Tired? Ashrit? No? Okay. And now what I will be doing, I will take one finger distance, one big finger distance here, and I will come slanting, make a small slanting line and just draw a U. From here, draw a U. See, this U is coming here. And okay, this will be the border, and this will be the chanya choli. Okay. I will be making a small line. See here, where we showed the curve now. I will show patterns so that you will not get confused. This is border of lehenga, and this is border of this upper top of this lehenga. Okay, don't get confused. And this is tummy part visible. Okay, chanya choli. So the line which we draw it border, we draw one more line upwards and show this. And see, it is looking like U and a line like this way. And when we want to show sitting posture, it's looking like this. Can I check this much? I want to check this much. All of you lift up your files and show. All of you. And if you are using A3 size and you feel that I want to make two girls, or I want to make mom and a baby making rangoli, so you can make both of them sitting in same ways on both the side of rangoli. Okay, this side you can show your friend and you. Even you can show a boy sitting. Acha students, one very important information I want to share. I'm so happy to share this information with you all. Vivan, a complete artist family. The younger one is in a pre-junior batch, and the middle junior one is in a junior batch. Vivan is name of that student, and mom is in senior batch. And when competition was conducted, Navratri special, they all participated and they all won prize. I'm so happy. And Suhasi also won singing competition. I'm so happy to announce our students are doing so well all around. And they all three, Vivan, I think in this batch or in afternoon batch, I don't know. But the younger sister is in the name of the younger one, the youngest one, 3.5 years old, is Pranvi. And then brother Vivan in our batch, in this junior batch, and mom is in senior batch. So mom won second prize, Vivan won third prize, and sister won first prize. The whole family won prize. Lots of congratulations and blessings. And when more student of our pre-junior batch, she also won prize, cash prize of 500 rupees. Her name is Akshara Iyer. Lots of blessings and congratulations, my dears. May God shower blessings, happiness, success in your life. Okay. So I will be giving a quick review. Unnati, as you joined just now, I'm giving a quick review. This is the middle of our file. I draw a circle, a straight line, a slanting line. I join it straight. Then I gave a curve. I took a point and I draw a U shape. Now here. See where this curve is here. Now here you make a small line and connect with a curve. You can make this curve straight or slightly diagonal. Come on. And as I want to show, they're sitting on, this girl, Dipali, is sitting on knees. I will show legs, backside. One finger distance, one small finger distance. Less than one finger. I will be showing how will you make feet. And now see these two lines. These are two sleeping lines, small sleeping lines. Now see carefully how I'm making. This is toe, a big U, and then fingers, small U. Okay, come on. I will make two lines first, then a U to show toe, and then small U to show fingers. And I will be making one more line very close. I will connect. This is the second leg. Okay. So this ways I will be showing two legs backside. Okay. You can show it slanting also if you want. If you feel that I want to show it slanting, you can show it slanting also. Don't forget to show border. And we are going to make it very decorative using earbuds and all. We will make pattern. And now see, boys and girls, for making lehenga, I want all girls, close your eyes, close your eyes. Try to see your favorite dress or lehenga. Can you see color? Can you see pattern? What kind of sleeves? Same you're going to put. Okay, this is called memory drawing. And color also will be same because this is you actually. Okay, come on. So you can try the same pattern. Suppose that your lehenga is having this kind of sleeves or that, you can try that also. So see, I draw this kind of sitting posture. Now I'm going to make hands. Can I check this much? I will be repeating this part, Bhavya. I draw two lines and then I draw a U, little bigger one so that I can show it as toe and small U to show fingers. Then I made one line very close and show small fingers. Wonderful. Okay. So see, this posture is actually not very easy, but when we divide it in small pieces, it is so easy, isn't it? And in the same ways, whenever you are making any drawing, first, yeah, wonderful work. You all have done it so beautifully. Which part you want me to repeat? Let me read messages. Lehenga part, Sainika, I'm repeating. What I did, I'm repeating lehenga part. Just a minute. Yes. What I did, this line I extend and it's looking like a J, letter J. I took a point here and draw a U. And this is two fingers outside. Okay, and then here I connect and draw three sleeping lines. And I use U for, these are two sleeping lines, then a U, and then small U to show fingers. Okay, done? Okay, now I will be, this is legs also only I'm repeating better. Legs I repeated just now. Okay, Kanika Shri, is this clear? Okay, now here, I want to show sleeves. I want to show hands actually. So I will take 2 points. Come on, take 2 points. Okay. And from here, it will be, yes, Samida, it is going to look like this at last. In last, you are going to get this outcome. And if you have space, you can make so many decorative things. I will be showing from here. From top point, I will be showing a hand coming down. See, it is coming out of body and this much big. Okay. This is the last point. See, here it is two fingers outside body. Two fingers. Okay, you will extend line. Don't make it too big. Outside body, it is 2 fingers out. I will take a point and I will take one point very close to it. Come on. I will take one more point very close to it. Where after learning this, we will learn Rangoli. And this is the most traditional Rangoli. On every holy occasion, we draw this. So I really want my students to learn this so that they can also make, and they should know about how rich our culture is. And for every occasion, how creative we make everything. We celebrate everything so creatively. We put Vandanvar. Any puja is there, we put Vandanvar. We put mehendi. We wear nice clothes with bright colors. We make rangolis and so many things. So we are really very lucky that we belong to this kind of colorful India. Yes, now connect this. And as I want to show sleeveless, so see, from here till here, I will be making C. Sleeveless, C for cat. Okay. In this langa, I want to show sleeveless. So I will be making this ways. Hand coming outside and erase this line. See, erasing this line is very, very important. Extremely important. Okay. And now see, when you put color, so your one finger is slightly, you hold color this way now. So we are going to show this way's hands. So here I will be making a straight line. And here I will go slightly slanting. Straight line and slightly slanting. And here I will be making the small U. It's looking like letter J, small letter J. And then small tiny C's 3 times. Tiny C 3 times. And like this C, like this, making Rangoli. So one finger we will make little bigger and rest smaller. I'm giving quick revision. I draw a circle, I draw a straight line, slanting line I convert in letter J. From here I draw U, I connect it backside, I draw 3 sleeping lines, and using U I made fingers. I took 2 points here and draw 2 diagonal lines, and then a U and small c, I completed hands. Okay? And here, take a point here where this lower here. Take point here, 2 points. And in this, here I want to show line. In this hand, she's holding a bowl of colors. Okay, a bowl of color. And she's making lovely rangoli. Okay. So now see how to show bowl of color. D, letter D, sleeping line. Just from hand, it should connect. Letter D, small d, a bowl in which color is there. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay. And see, it will connect and learn it nicely, because for making diyas and also we are going to use it. Okay. If you want to show that she is burning one anar, so you can show a fuljhadi and one anar here. And so you can use this posture for so many things. You can make one more girl sitting this side and they both are making rangolis. And they are singing lovely song of Diwali. You can show that ways also. And here, and if you are making a garden, you can make, she's plucking flowers. So you can use this posture for that also. If you want to show birds, and you can show that this girl is giving them grain. So you can use this posture there also. So one posture, when you know, you can use it for so many drawings. Suppose you want to make a drawing on save birds. Make so many birds, and at place of this bowl of color, show grain. She's giving grain to birds. So this way, this drawing will get converted in save birds. Now from here, C. Hand, come on, draw a C, letter C, I think Prahlay, as you join late beta, so you just skip this artwork, start with Rangoli, and this complete drawing you do with help of recorded class and a step by step. If you will make in a hurry, you will not be able to understand the steps. So Rangoli, I will start now. You start with Rangoli. Now all of you show me your work. Can I check the work? Yes. Wow, it's amazing. And yes, I can see different patterns in Langa. Okay, fine. If manageable, then you do. Okay. Take care. Oh, wonderful. You all have done it so beautifully. Come on, I'm praising you. Give a smile. You all have done it wonderfully. And now, done? Show thumbs up if done. Take care. So now we will make face with a big choti. Okay. If you want to make change hairstyle, you can. But as a completely traditional outfit, the big choti will go for it. And choti is not small, tiny. It is so big. Pure nariyal ka tel she is putting. So see, choti is almost so big. You can make open hair, you can make bun, whatever. But I will prefer choti. Okay. Anvi, as you join very late, Pita, so you do one thing, you skip this figure, start with Rangoli, and afterwards, with help of recorded class, you draw this. Okay, because a quick revision, you will not be able to get it step by step. With recorded class, using step by step method, you draw this. Okay. Now, your face. For making face, you take a point here. And see, in middle, ear will come. So first draw ear. In middle of this circle, when you want to show side face, now keep this thing in mind. When you want to show side face, first you draw ear in center and then show your hairstyle. You can make any hairstyle. Like I'm going to make very simple one. And you can make a small flick in front of ear. And here you can connect. Okay, you can connect. You can shift your ear slightly down also. Shift your ear slightly down. Okay. So this is ear. If it is slightly down, it is looking better. Rupa, देखो कितने पानी की जरूरत है, कितने पानी की जरूरत है? रूपा, मिनी, रूपा, मीनू, मीनू ऊपर है ना वो चला दे, जेट चला दे, और प्लीज ध्यान रखियो मेरी क्लास चल रही है, लोग काम चल रहा है ना, पानी खत्म हो गया है, ध्यान रखियो, बंद कर दिया ना, नहीं वो कॉल से भी चल रही है. And now I will be keeping little space for forehead and I'm going to make a small tiny C. Tiny C. Letter C. Don't make it big, okay? Tiny C and the top. Take the point. Take point of C and join it diagonal. Join it diagonal to head, to circle and erase all lines then. Erase all lines and you will find this kind of tall, small, tiny nose. Okay. And here downwards, you will be making a small, leave some space and show a small V. Small V. Okay. And you will erase the line of V also. We are going to keep it very simple, side face, so that each one of you can make it. So see this ways. And a big a line, you can make it slightly curved, and a big C. You will find a big I. And a round inside to show eyeballs. You can make 2. Eyebrow, small C to show eyebrow, and bindi. If you are making mom, suppose you are making mom and baby, so you can make a bun. Anna, you can make a bun, but I want to make a big choti, so I will not make a bun. I will make a beautiful, the beauty of the drawing, that is cute choti. Don't forget to add 2 lines to show eyelashes. Eyelashes, near eye. Eye part, yes. For eye part, what I did, yes, ear and eye part, I'm repeating again. See what I did, this circle I made now, so I draw a C first. Then from here, I draw a diagonal line and a curve to show a this kind of hair, curly hair, and connect backside. And then I draw a C, and the tip of C I connect to circle. I draw a V to show lips. And then I write capital D, a straight line, and C, capital D and circle inside. Tiny C for showing eyebrows, bindis, and eyelashes. And first, whenever you want to show choti, see from here, all of you see, first you make very light, don't make it very dark. I will be making a choti which is coming from here, going down on earth. Make a line first. Whenever you want to make anything, first you decide the direction. So I just made this line to decide direction, that how my choti will fall. Okay, what is going to be the fall of choti? And for making choti, I'm going to write C, letter C, this ways, in a bracket. But gradually that will decrease. So see, here the bracket will be loose and bigger. Erase this line. Okay, here our choti will get connected. And then this middle line is going to be in center. You will continue, 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 continue. Gradually, you can come close. You can come close. And she put a flower from garden. So I will make a flower. Okay, this is also tradition, especially in South. And in Maharashtra, this is a tradition to put here veni and gajra in hair. And so we, in our Indian culture, a great place of flower is also there for making ourselves, looking ourselves beautiful. Erase this middle line. Erase this middle line and all the lines of dress from choti. Clean your choti. Erase all lines carefully, and erasing extra lines, it is very, very important. Okay, and see Diwali. Diwali is coming now. So on Diwali, at place of wearing jeans and top, you can try traditional dresses. Hai na? Just because these are occasions when we can and try to get involved in all activities like making diyas, then decorating, making rangolis. And if any puja is happening, get involved, because you are the one who will take it forward, will keep our culture alive. So you are supposed to take very active part in all cultural activities, okay? In decoration part and in how the puja is happening, and you can share a work of. See here, I want to show jhumki. Okay, in ears, this U shape and a jhumki. And I want to show she put 2 flowers from garden in hair. Okay. A big and small. And wow, really, after putting these flowers, really it's looking great. Don't forget to make bangles. She wear lovely bangles. Okay, this is a complete kada. Bangles in hands. Lovely pattern we are going to make afterwards. We will make afterwards. And see our Dipali making Rangoli is ready. Now let's learn Rangoli quickly. Okay, this Rangoli is the most traditional Rangoli, and in our all festivals, puja, havan, we just put haldi. Haldi is antiseptic and it's considered very holy. And in puja, it has a very great role. Haldi, turmeric powder, yellow. In cooking, mama is using it. So we just apply mehendi, cow dung. It is also very holy and antiseptic. And we make a coat with mud, and afterwards we just make a rangoli or this kind of chalk using different things. So that chalk I'm going to teach you today. Can I check this girl, how it's looking? I want to check it. Yes. Shabash. Wonderful. Amazing. Amazing. Very nice. So now let's quickly do it. This is 11. I'm going to write 1. You can take 1 finger's distance. 1, 1, 11. Take 3 fingers distance. 1, 1, 11. And I will cross cut it. 1, 1, 11. Same ways. 1, 1, 11. Same distance. And make sure your lines of 11 will come out equally. Equal big lines, okay? Not like from one place it is quite big, one place it is small. 11, sleeping to 11, standing to 11. You can draw it freehand. If you feel that I want to make different kind of rangoli, you can try some floral pattern or any other. But I really want you to learn this. So that's why I make it part of today's artwork. So when any puja or anything is there, you should know how to make this chalk. Like we also learn it from our moms. So this is time to carry it forward. Okay. So see, these are 2 standing 11, 2 sleeping 11. And this it is said that when we make chalk, it attracts positive energy from all directions. So on all holy occasions, we make this. Okay. Yeah. And see, if you have big file, you want to make one more girl sitting this side and they both are talking and making rangoli, you can make one more girl here. Okay. You can add more characters in your artwork. Now, see, these 2 inner ones. Join it with C, inner ones. Join it with C, inner points, and make sure it should be equal. C. Letter C. Come on. The inner one. See, these are inner corners. Okay. Letter C. It is very simple. But once you know how to draw, you will be able to use it. You can use it for Diwali Rangoli also. And yeah, students, Acha, tell me, how many of you want to learn underwater Rangoli? Rangoli, which is underwater. And that is portable Rangoli. You can lift it up. It is made in a parat or a thal. And you can lift it up. You can float your diyas. You can float petals. How many of you? Thumbs up with smile. Then I will consider. Okay. So see, students, don't worry. I upload its video. Its video is already there in that Rangoli with Dhoop Batti, Rangoli, different patterns, and underwater Rangoli's video is available on my YouTube channel. You can make it in a big parat. You can make it in a big small plate also. And you can try that. Okay, upload the video on my YouTube channel. You can see this. Now see these 2 outer lines. You can make it little big. And these 2 outer lines you connect. Same here, you can make these lines little big. Take a distance that this much far it is. First decide and then draw a C. Same here. Extend these lines. You can make these lines little bigger. Decide that from here my line will go and draw one more C. And you will find a very beautiful pattern for Rangoli. You will love it, and you can make it multicolored. If any competition is there in your school, Rangoli making, you can try underwater Rangoli if any Rangoli competition is there in your school. Okay, video is available. In that, Dhoop Batti Rangoli is also there. In that, we make shape with Dhoop Batti and we fill colorful water in that. So you can see it is on my YouTube channel. Yeah, Ria can also draw. And Meena, if your friend also want to draw this, yes, she can also draw this. Okay, now this and this. Take these 2 points. These 2 points, and this is the center. I will draw V. And I'm going to repeat it all sides. V. V. Okay, same here, center V. And inside this V, I will take 2 points. I will draw one more V. More V. Okay. And V1. 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 Yes, I will go a little slow. Okay. So see this ways. This is a beautiful Rangoli. You can make fill different colors in different blocks. And you can try this Rangoli for, yes, I'm repeating what I did. These are 2 points now. These 2 points, I draw V. I draw one more small V. And on the tip, I draw V and 1. Same, I repeat all directions. Same, I repeat all directions. Okay. And a circle here, a circle here, and a circle in center. Okay. This side, circle. And see, this cute Rangoli is ready. In center, you can write Om, you can write Happy Diwali, you can make Shri Charan, or you can make Swastik, which I'm going to make. Swastik is again a very holy symbol. And on all holy occasion, even in front of our house, we put its sign. It is that holy. And it attracts positive energy from all around. I'm repeating this Rangoli quickly here. 2 sleeping 11, standing 11. Then this inner points you will join. Then outer also you will join. And I will be showing only in one direction. And these 2 points you will draw V and one more V. Same, you're going to repeat all sides. Okay. So this is that simple. Okay, Meena? I'm waiting. Because now only Deepak is left. Deepak and Dipali gave responsibility to Deepak. Deepak was forcing Didi, we will burn crackers. So Dipali said, no, we are supposed to take responsibility of environment. And if all will keep burning cracker, what will happen? Already our Mother Earth is sick and facing lots of pollution. So we will celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. So what will be fun? Deepak asked. Without crackers, Diwali will be boring. She said, I'm promising you, our Diwali is going to be the most wonderful and full of excitement. We will plan it that way. And finally, what they plan? This is the part of story. Okay, next class, you will be listening this. Okay, now let's complete Swastik. See, those who feel that they are taking little more time, they can complete one corner of Rangoli. Remaining, they can complete after class. Okay, after class, they can complete all corners. You just finish this one portion and remaining you can do afterwards. Okay, so see, I completed Swastik, and here, she's making this Rangoli in Angan. And this is an Angan in which she's making Rangoli, and this is the fence of their house. Very small. If you have enough space, you can make it bigger one also. And I will be showing a brick pattern here. Okay. And here, this is Deepak. Okay, very obedient. The moment Didi said, ki no, we will celebrate eco-friendly Diwali and you are going to cooperate me. So very readily he said, okay, Didi, I will cooperate you and tell me what I'm supposed to do. She said, now we will get some earthen diyas. We will make some diyas with hand and we will paint them. And we will not burn crackers. And this year, we and our all friends, we are going to celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Hai na? Yes. So see, I'm showing Deepak here. If you have enough space, then not to worry. As I'm using small file, so it is almost here. And these are 2 points. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So Deepak painted diyas, decorated. I will be completing Deepak, brick wall, diyas all around. And they made lovely colorful bandhanwar using kite paper. They put that, they made full floral string, they put that. They made rangolis all around. And now was the time to convince all friends of them. But it was really very difficult because no one was ready to listen them that we will not burn crackers. Then what happened? What happened? It is surprise. What happened that I will be revealing next class. Okay. I will be showing one hand. This Deepak is arranging diyas. One hand here and one hand upwards, singing song. And very happy that finally is able to help. Okay, you will be making 2 lines. And as I showed now, the same ways, this ways we are going to show diya. How to show? First, you will be showing a D, capital D. And from lower point, you will draw C. I told you in beginning, see this diya will get touched to the line. But the second line is slightly far and I will show a C. Same I'm going to show here. 2 diyas in hands. Okay, I will be making 1 diya. I will touch it here. See, I touch to this upper portion and from lower one, I will draw C. It will look as if he's holding diyas. Okay. At place of this, you can show a floral string or any other thing. If you're showing a Diwali with crackers, so you can show fuljhadi or any other. Fuljhadi only, other crackers you can't show in hands. Flame, C again and again C and a U inside and a big circle. This is the light of diya. Okay. Same U, light of diya. Okay, if you want to show kurta, pajama, you can show that. T-shirt or whatever, you can show that ways. Okay. I showed diya. And see, for making diya, we use the same ways as we showed this colored bowl. You can show one more C here to show C here to show bowl. Here. Small, tiny C. Here we are going to show. First you finished. And now, as I want to show very naughty, younger brother is very naughty. So V. Some big, some small, some curved V. Right V to show unorganized, naughty personality. And the hairstyle also show your personality. When you show stylish, it show modern personality. When you show traditional hairstyle, it show traditional personality. Ears, C to show ears. Letter C for showing ears of Deepak. And 2 cute, naughty eyes. D, again D. Again D. And looking side, looking at side. Wow, lovely diyas. And a small eyebrow, only this eyebrow is visible. Rest all are covered with hair. Small tiny nose, a small C in middle of eyes, small C and a big C to show a cute smile. Cute smile. Okay. And so obedient brother. You know, you all must be having very, very obedient younger ones. Younger sister or younger brother, they must be very obedient, you know? They must be listening to you, and whatever you are instructing, they must be doing the same. I will write D. You can touch it here. And or you can make this kind of base also. See, now we know how to make diyas. We made in hand of Deepak. We are going to show diyas everywhere. Finally, this is Diwali. And see, if you have more space, if you want to make some decoration in diya, you can decorate diyas also. And this wall, I'm going to show a brick wall. Show diyas. One more diya you can show here. Make many. And if you have lots of space, you can make diya, the complete string in front also. Okay. And I add a small wall in my artwork that inside arranging this boy, name is Deepak, brother of Dipali, is arranging diya. And I know one here is creating pollution by burning crackers. Okay. So, because today is the time, we have already exploited our Mother Earth to a great level. She's extremely sick. Pollution has increased to the level that it is not affordable that we can create more. 3 sleeping lines. If your wall is big, you can make many more. But in my wall, I will be making 3 stripes. 2 lines I will make. It will divide my brick wall in 3 stripes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And if your file is big, you can make it bigger. And many of you are using A3 size paper, so they can make their wall bigger. And they can, if there is lots of space, you can make 2 or 3 boys. They are arranging. And one is arranging floral string, one is happily singing. So you can show so many things to cover up the space. And here I will be showing pataka. They prepared this kind of pataka also. V. Okay. V. This kind of kite paper. They used kite paper for making it. And they made this kind of pataka. If you have space, you can make more candles, floral string arranged and all. And here in the sleeping lines on equal distance, you will be making this kind of partitions in first stripe. And in second, what you will be doing in this middle of this, center of these two, one, you will be taking. And you will find this brick wall pattern. Okay. Yes. And I think it will add a beauty and color to our work. And our lovely artwork, if you have more space, you can make diyas, a complete layer of diya. If you have more space here, you can show one more girl sitting this side and they both are making rangoli. In big file, there is space, so you can make one more boy helping Deepak in decorating walls and diyas. And you can make floral string over, which we are going to do directly with earbud. We will be making floral string over. So many things we can decorate afterwards. Can I check the work? I'm eagerly waiting what is the output? Yes, our artwork is really a detailed work. And see, if you have lots of space above, make lots of strings, floral strings, and you can show a star-shaped candle. Wow, it's so wonderful. All of you show. Balu Guhan, show your work. Yeah. Shabash, wonderful. Great. Okay, now what is your homework? Your homework is giving outlines. I can see Purvi has written Happy Diwali in Rangoli. Yes. Okay. So students, let's learn. And here I can see Lakshya. She made a floral Rangoli, a big floral pattern. So yeah, you can try your own designs also. But this is a very traditional design. It is called chalk. And a chalk, we call it chalk because it is equal from all 4 directions. And if any drawing Rangoli competition is there, you can try underwater Rangoli. You can see its video. Otherwise, you can try this kind of Rangoli. You can try it with flower petals. Valli Shriji. Oh, wonderful. Great. So this was all about our today's artwork. And if any competition is there in your school, now you're prepared. Okay. Next class, we are going to color it. And because of this only, I finish it enough in advance because many students, not only one, but many students, they requested, ma'am, activity we have, please teach us. And then I've realized that a few days before holidays will happen. So, and see, if you want to show Karwa Chauth, if you want to show it as Karwa Chauth drawing, so you can show this as a girl and lady, and she's preparing Karwa Chauth preparation. And because before Karwa Chauth Puja, we worship Karwa Chauth Mata. So you can show a thal and she's worshipping Karwa Chauth Mata and she's worshipping. You can use the same posture for that also. So this was all about today's learning. Homework is you will give outline. Keep your watercolors, earbud also ready. We will see if we can use. And next class, we will complete it. Okay. And yeah, you will find recording also available. The moment we will receive, we will upload it. So this was all about. If you enjoy learning Diwali drawing, can I see a smile with a big thumbs up? But it's such small smile, big smile. Your eyes should close. Big one. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Chalo. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Lots of blessings. Wonderful, Meena. It's looking great.